Hey guys, welcome back to Tales and Trails, and how are you all doing? Well, today is 18th of March 2021 and the time right now is 7:40 in the morning and we are up so early. And if you ask us why we're going to the XPHP Bikers Meetup of Hyderabad, well, we all know XPHP is doing this All India ride for almost 10,000 kilometers, and today is the meetup in Hyderabad. So we are going to that meetup, meet bikers, meet Sandeep Gujar and DJ Bhai. I always wanted to meet him, so he's in Hyderabad today, so I should make my time and meet him. He's an amazing vlogger, you should check him too. So that's the whole plan, XPHP Bikers Meetup. And right behind me is Pawan Anna's 390 Adventure, and यहाँ पे है Pawan Anna is having breakfast, so I'm just not showing him. So that's up. I think we should get rolling right now into the vlog.
I the biker! We the power! Louder! I the biker! We the power! I the biker! We the power! True motive.
This trip, it's called Road Trip United 2021. We are going around India because by the name goes, we want to unite different kind of machines. The N-Torque 9.7 bhp, the Ninja S2 230 bhp, you know, so all kind of machines are there. And we have two Thars also. So that and uniting different kind of bikers, Royal Enfields, scooters, super bikes, whatever, you know. So they are all invited. We don't demarcate. In fact, I believe the people who have scooters today, like, you know, for example, the N-Torque, they are the one who are going to graduate to super bikes. So it is most important to tell them to wear helmet, to make them learn the correct way of riding, because they are the future. And even if you have the money to buy a 1000cc bike, you know, anyone can go into a showroom and buy, you know, a bike with the money. Because you don't become a biker unless until you go follow a path of experience. So money can't buy experience. That is a old age. So that is also something which we believe in, because I started with a Pulsar 180. Now people who don't know, you know, they see me on the H2, Rocket, Busa, this, that. So they think I immediately went off and, you know, bought these machines. No. So that is another thing, you know. So there are a lot of philosophies we have in XPHP. Depends on what the person wants to absorb. Correct. And this is the 9th India ride we are doing. We do every 2 years, one India ride. And this is after 3 years we are doing, because we missed one India ride because of the pandemic. Correct. So that is it.
Okay, what is that one wisdom suggestion you want to give to all the bikers in India and the world? What is that one wisdom suggestion?
So you need to, I think motorcycling can sort your head out, but motorcycling can also destroy your life if you ride it when you are angry and you want to vent out your frustration. You sit on a bike, you ring that throttle and you think that everything will be okay, or you want to, you know, vent out your anger, you might have an accident. So I mean, motorcycling is a double-edged sword. You have to choose which side.
Yeah.
So guys, right now I'm with DJ Bhaiya. So I just asked him a few questions for some time now, and he was very kind answering all of them. Now he's gonna do this छोटा सा session with me. Thank you so much for being on the channel. Could you tell us what is motorcycling to you?
मेरे लिए यार मोटरसाइकिलिंग है कि आप निकलो, एक्सप्लोर करो, देखो चीज़ें और कल्चर को एक्सप्लोर करो। मतलब जो पीपल हैं, जो लोग हैं, उनके साथ बातें करो। वही एक ना मोटरसाइकिलिंग को एक फ्रीडम देता है। मतलब वही मेरे लिए सब कुछ है कि जैसे मैं ट्रैवल करता हूँ तो ये सारी चीज़ें मैं करता हूँ बेसिकली। कई लोग क्या होते हैं कि जाते हैं सीधा किलोमीटर्स नापते हैं, लेकिन मेरे लिए क्या है कि चीज़ें देखनी है, मैंने दुनिया देखनी है।
आपने ये साउथ इंडिया ट्रिप कितने दिन के लिए किया?
मैंने
ऑलमोस्ट
किया
हाफ इंडिया था वो, साउथ इंडिया नहीं है, हाफ इंडिया है ना?
मैंने पूरा ऑल इंडिया
किया था।
2 बार ऑल इंडिया कर चुका हूँ मैं। एक 2016 में किया था, एक अभी रिसेंट में किया था 2018 में। तो 2018 में मैंने 152 डेज़ का पूरा था।
That is half a year.
हाँ हाफ ईयर और सोलो किया था वो,
हाँ सोलो किया था.
सोलो किया था
Dominar 400 पे.
डोमिनार 400 पे वो जो एक्सपीरियंस था वो मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंस था. मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से मिला, बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने एक्सपीरियंस करी,
Correct.
अलग अलग स्टेट्स का जो फूड है उसको एक्सप्लोर किया. मतलब जो इंडिया एक ऐसी कंट्री है जहाँ पर आपको हर चीज़ मिलेगी,
Correct.
बहुत डाइवर्स है. तो मेरे ख्याल से तो यार पहले इंडिया को एक्सप्लोर करो, बाहर तो आप
हाँ
कभी भी
यार.
कर सकते हो.
इंडिया को छोड़ो, आपके बैकयार्ड्स को एक्सप्लोर करो
हाँ,
पहले.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
लोग सोचते
यार
हैं तेलंगाना में कुछ है नहीं.
हर स्टेट में ना हर स्टेट में अलग अलग चीज़ें, अलग अलग. आप एक बाउंड्री क्रॉस करोगे दूसरे स्टेट में बिल्कुल डिफरेंट चीज़ें मिलेंगी.
Correct. Right after the
बिल्कुल
border.
बिल्कुल. कहीं पंजाब है,
Correct.
कहीं हिमाचल है, कहीं
Correct.
उत्तराखंड है. मतलब
Correct.
अपना जो इंडिया है ना बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है, बहुत डाइवर्स है. ऐसी कंट्री आपको पूरी दुनिया में कहीं नहीं मिलेगी जहाँ पर इतनी सारी चीज़ें एक साथ आपको
एक ही प्लेस में, और लोग बहुत इनवाइटिंग है यहाँ पे.
बिल्कुल.
So let's do this rapid fire round.
Sure.
बस 2 chances भी नहीं मिलेंगे, एक ही चांस एक ही आंसर, ठीक है? Okay, one word about Hyderabad.
Awesome.
Okay, one word about H2.
Super fast.
Super fast. That's nice. N-Torque.
This is like.
एक ही word ना?
Oh, okay. One word. Okay. Magnificent.
Magnificent. XBHP.
Love.
Bikers. More love.
Again, more love.